Woo! Run, 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 run! Wow!
We're going to see the fun time.
We've hidden some eggs here, and Connor and Zoe are gonna come in and try to find these eggs. So this is an indoor egg hunt, and they haven't seen anything, so they don't know where everything is. But once their buckets are full, they'll put it into these carts here, all right? And then at the end, there's gonna be a surprise for both of them. They don't know it yet though, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call them down, okay? And then they're gonna go all over finding those eggs. Connor and Zoe, it's Easter finding egg time. Whoa, here they come. Whoa, Connor's already. Whoa, there goes Cutie Girl. Whoa, what did you see first? Uh-oh, Connor's looking around. Whoa, whoa, tons of eggs everywhere. Put it in your bucket. Once it fills up, you can put it into the
Connor, you missed one hair.
You missed one hair. If it's full, then you put it into those baskets over there, okay? Yeah, put in those. Go around, there's more. There's more, come on, there's more. Why are you guys just hanging around one spot only? Look around, look around. Woohoo!
This one there.
Go ahead.
That's mine.
Hey, hurry up. Why are you guys just doing it in one spot? There's more eggs everywhere. Whoa, Connor found one that's hidden underneath the cushion or the little pillow there. Uh-oh, cutie. Whoa, by the stereo equipment.
My Easter basket
Whoa.
is so full.
Okay, go ahead and put it into those shopping carts over there then.
Connor, you missed one hair.
Connor, keep on missing that one there. Whoa. Whoa, Connor found another one. Whoa, Cutie Girl. Whoa. Good job. Okay, Connor finally found that one over there. What did you see? Whoa, a big pink one.
Connor, just a blue egg.
No, let him find it himself. Don't give him any hints. What did you see? Wow. Too heavy. Okay, go put it into the shopping cart over there then.
I think I will.
Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Run, 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 run. Wow. Man, those shopping carts are full now. Any more? You sure? Have you looked everywhere? Have you looked everywhere? Have you checked behind pillows, cushions, and stuff like that? Oh, good job. Connor got that one already. Whoa! See? Uh-oh.
How can this fit?
Just bring it over to the shopping cart. Anything else, Cutie Girl? See anything else? Oh, she's looking.
I don't see it.
I think you guys are all done. So Connor got that big egg there. He's got a Ninja Turtle.
Yeah.
He's got Pop Rocks.
Yeah, and
Very
Iron
yummy.
Man and gummies.
Iron Man.
And gummies.
Look.
I got gummies.
Finding Dory.
Gummy.
Pink.
Finding Dory gummies.
Batman egg.
Here's Spiderman.
Spider-Man. Spidey himself. Captain America.
And a big giant
big
egg.
giant one that we don't know what's in there.
And Captain America.
Captain America egg.
And Elsa egg.
Okay, here goes Cutie Girls. She got an Elsa and Anna egg, right?
There's a boy toy in here.
Are you sure there's a boy toy in there?
Yeah.
There's a princess one.
You see? Look in here.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, it's not boy toy in there.
No, we have power.
Here's another one. Princess.
If I can stand up too. See, I can stand
Yeah,
up.
Pez one. Ooh, cool little bunny in there.
Hey, there's a little bunny in this egg. If it is girl one.
She got Pop Rock in there. This one. Finding Dory. Hey, another Finding Dory egg. Ooh, a surprise pink egg. Big surprise pink egg.
I don't know what inside. Shopkins?
Shopkin.
You break my airplane.
Hey, another Pez, but this one's a birdie or a ducky.
That's a ducky.
What is this?
That's
Whoa,
a
a troll with a fluffy hair.
Quack, quack, quack. Fluffy hair, fluffy hair.
All right, guys. Guess what? We still have surprise for you guys. Yeah. Wow, what is that, cutie? Wow, troll. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, Connor, let's take a look. Star Wars. It's a pack of 4 eggs in there. Hold on. And more Pez. A bunny rabbit Pez. Yeah.
I get more Pez.
Let's take a look at yours. Okay, so Cutie Girl got the same Pez bunny, but she get, what is that? A pack of...
It's like a cat.
Whoa, troll eggs. A pack of 4 of them.
Mama, I'd like to see your bunny.
Wow.
Open it.
Hey, was that fun?
Yeah.
Was that pretty cool?
Open this egg.
Who's ready to do some silly dances?
Me.
Yeah, time to do some silly dances for happy. Okay, whoa, bunny jumping. Whoa, silly dancing time. Woo, 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 woo. Cool. Look at all them eggs.
I'll open it.
Yeah, hold on. Let's take a look how many you got.
I got 2 gummies.
Let's take a look at how much you got here. Why don't you count, boy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No, you got 10. You counted that guy again. How about you, Kitty? What do you got? Can you count? Do you need help? Okay. Can I count it for you? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you got 10 also.
Yeah, but you forgot to count this.
Oh, well, those are the surprise. Yeah, you got those Star Wars for Connor. You got the Troll one, 4-pack. And then you got the 2 Pez bunny too.
Yeah, I'll open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Tell me which one you want to open the most.
This one.
The big one?
Yeah,
You guys both want to open the big ones? Okay. So they have chosen the ones they want to open.
Open.
Crack the egg. Whoa! Connor. Hey, you guys. Hey. What did you get? What did you get?
A balloon.
Balloon?
Whoopee cushion.
A whoopee cushion? No, you silly boy.
Whoopee cushion.
No, you. Hey, don't open it. Yeah, you still got another egg to open. You forgot about that egg already? Hey! Whoa! Crack those eggs. Whoa! Whoa! Take it all out. Let's take a look, huh, boy?
I get this again.
Whoa! Hey! Worm?
I got 2.
Whoa! Ninja
wait.
Turtle.
And I got Fine Dory. I can
Thomas.
Clinkies.
Ooh, Wonder Woman.
Clinkies. I
What?
got Clinkies already. Squinkies.
Squinkies?
Yeah.
Ooh, cool, cutie. And look at Shopkin.
I bet it in the floor for the law.
Yeah. Hey, that's Papa Pig. You got that in there too, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Papa Pig. What is that one?
Funny Dory.
Finding Dory. Cool.
Oh.
Okay, go ahead, open it. Ooh.
Ooh. Chocolate. And some balls. Okay, Hank.
You got Hank?
Yeah. No, that's a pig.
Is it? I don't know.
I need the one to eat.
Oh, that's a chocolate, huh?
And crack it open.
Okay, not yet. Take a look at whatever stuff you got.
Okay, get stickers.
Stickers?
Nothing on this one.
Nothing on that sticker?
No. I'll open these two.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. What is in there though? We might have to get a bowl because if you. Whoa.
Oh, I think we can use the egg. I think we can use it's pepper.
No, that's not clean.
It's pepper.
Hey, you got Peppa. Hey, Lucky. That's your favorite, right?
The kiss didn't.
Here, let's see. Whoa, you did it. Pull it out.
Then.
Yeah, pull it out. Uh-oh.
Look at this one.
What'd you get? Whoa, a red, white, and blue worm. Sweet. Let's take a look, man. Hey, let's take a look. That's a pretty cool red, white, and blue worm. Yeah. Yeah, sweet. He's a bendable guy. Hey.
I like it.
Yeah.
I'll open more.
Open more? Okay. Whoa. These are some awesome gifts. They're pretty cool, huh?
I can't get that. Leonardo.
Leonardo?
Yeah, look.
Whoa. Is it? Is it Leonardo? I don't know those guys.
I think it's Leonardo.
You sure? Okay, well, I'll go with what you say. You know more than I do.
It's shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah, look at this.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You know, started for me. I get to take the truck. I get Nemo again.
You got Nemo again?
You got so much Nemo.
Wow.
Hey, where is it?
Open it.
Thomas.
You got Thomas?
Gordon.
Gordon?
Yeah.
They're both blue, huh? So you can tell. Wow. Yeah, nice.
I pulled the egg.
Hey,
first.
Gordon.
Birthday cake.
A birthday cake?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool,
Mom,
cool.
Gordon pulled the eggs first.
Pretty sweet. You want to open that, cutie? The squinky?
Open this.
Ooh, what do you have in there, cutie? Those are your squinky ones, huh?
Squinky.
Whoa, what is that? A baby lamb?
Yeah.
Okay, baby lamb.
Am I supposed to bring the bowl down?
Baby lamb. Along with Peppa. What is that one, cutie?
They're foggy.
Baby froggy? Oh, that's cute.
Oh, look.
A baby froggy and a baby lamb. Uh-oh, what is next?
It's a hat.
A hat.
Yeah, but it's a gold hair.
Oh.
Gold.
Is this supposed to go on one of those guys' heads? Let's see. Maybe it's supposed to go on the froggy's head. See if it'll fit on Froggy's head.
Okay. Is she
Whoa.
It doesn't fit. It does fit.
It does fit. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, kitty. Yeah, it is a girl froggy. Hey, pretty cool dude there. Cute froggy. Okay, we'll open up. 2 more eggs to open up. Take a look. All right. Need a little help? Okay. It's already open. What is in there though? Hold on. Why don't you open your Spider-Man one there? Because I think that one's chocolate, so we already know what's in there.
In
the Spider-Man one. In the Captain America.
Oh.
Spider-Man, we don't know what's in there.
In the
Whoa! Whoa, tons of candy in there. Whoa! Throw it right onto the table.
Oh, there's something.
How are you gonna open that, cutie? Yeah! Come on, karate chop it. Karate chop it. Karate chop it really hard. Cutie, open it now. Whoa! Spill it onto the table. There you go. Boom.
I like jelly beans.
Jelly beans, huh? And stickers. Connor got lollipops and stickers. Hey, open it.
Do you know what's in here?
No, I don't know what's in there. But don't throw the wrapper into the bowl. That's where you're gonna put the chocolate in there. You know how to break it? Whoa, you need some help. Whoa, kitty girl. Whoa. What did you? So what is in there?
Mouse.
Whoa.
I got Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
It's a clown.
There's some stuff inside there, huh?
It's a cookie.
Cookie?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see.
This cookie. Chocolate. Open the other.
Oh, it's a marshmallow, boo-boo.
Open the other one.
Yeah, it's a marshmallow. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, Connor with a big old bite.
Minnie Mouse again.
Yeah. Hey, open up the Captain America egg, huh? Yeah. Let's take a look.
Why does this clown away? Chocolate again.
Chocolate again? Whoa. Whoa. It's open. Whoa, look at that. A shield, huh? Yeah, Captain American shield in there. It's pure sugar, boy. Too much sugar. It's tough. Whoa. Careful. Whoa. She got the Papa Pig one open. Whoa, that was just pure chocolate. There's nothing inside there. Well, those are Connor and Zoe's, a couple of their eggs, surprise eggs from the little indoor Easter egg hunt. Yeah, I know you guys still have more, but all right. Well, they're enjoying their chocolates and their marshmallows. Bye bye. Happy Easter, everyone. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
We'll see you next time.